All right, now that you have that worked out, you have to figure out, obviously, where these share common shading space. So, in order to do that, you plug in zeros for both, and 8 times 0 plus 8 times 0 would be 0 plus 0, which is less than 640. So, that one is going to shade this way. And the lovely 0 plus 0 that this 7 times 0 and 9 plus 0 would be is less than 630. So this one's going to shade this way, like that. And obviously the shared space is right here. And then, in order to find your different points of fun profit, you would have to find the intercept here. And these two lovely intercepts at the top here and here.
Zero.
And 0, obviously. That's always a point, just so you know. But obviously 0 profit doesn't do much for you. So, we obviously know what this point is, and we know what this point is because they're on the intercepts. So we have to find the intersection point. So in order to do that, we're going to use elimination, so that we can find the point of intersection. And in order to do that, we need these problems to be right next to each other, like this lovely monstrosity here. And in order to eliminate, obviously, you have to do the multiplication, make it negative. I'm sure you know this. And so when we multiply that, we have to multiply by 8 and negative 7 because 8 and 7 and 8 and 9 don't share any other kind of common point. So in order to find that equation, we go to, it would be negative 56a plus 56b equals negative 4,480. I'm going to run in my graph now. And then this one would be 56a plus 72b equals 5,040. And then we subtract them, and we find 16b equals 560, and b equals 35. Then we plug in 35 for b in the equation, and we get 7a plus 9 times 35 equals 630. And then we multiply that out and get a new. We get 7a plus 315 equals 630. And then we get 7a equals 315. And then 7 doesn't equal, a equals 45. So this point would be 45, 35. Haha, point. Okay. And then, once we have that lovely point, we have to use our math skills to find out which one gives the greatest value. And after, we have to plug that into our C equation, which the C equation is 1.70a plus 240b because, follow me.
That's how much the nuts cost.
Yeah, because that's how much each grade of nut costs, as my lovely Wally butted in and told you. And then, so we have this lovely equation here, and I don't know why I just did like that, don't ask. And then we plug the A and B values in for this point here, which is 70, 0, and, I'm sorry, that's 0, 70. And this one, which is over here, it's 80, 0, and then we have to plug those points into this equation, which, once you do, will give you the C value of this one. C value will be 160.5, aka $160.50. This one would be $136, and this one would be $168. So obviously, if you want to maximize your profit, you're gonna pick one with the biggest number, and I'll give you a hint: it's not 136 or 160.5. It is this lovely number here. Woo! Okay.
What
So
point is that at?
huh?
What point is
It's
that
at this point right here, the highest point.
at? Okay.
Kindergartners could do this. No, I'm kidding. We take $168 is clearly bigger than the others, so if we cut out the grade A nut entirely, we would actually make the most profit. So yeah, there's your answer. Just cut out grade A. Duh. Done.
So how many
Don't stop.
grade